hope you enjoyed that video. I pretty much did my face makeup off camera just because I didn't want this video to be super long, and it was mostly focused on the eye look, so I kind of did a lot of stuff off camera. My blush or whatever is the Fenty Beauty Mimosa Sunrise and Sunset thing. I just kind of mixed the two together for my blush. And the lipstick, originally what you saw before in the video, it was Freckle Fiesta Mademoiselle, but now it's the Shoddy Mademoiselle kind of mixed in with Freckle Fiesta. And the highlight, which I think I showed, is the Jackie Aina Artist Couture Lip Peach highlight, and I also put that all over my collarbones. But I'm pretty impressed with how this came out. I think I did a really good job. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and you try to recreate this look for yourself too. I'll put the original. I found this thing off of Pinterest. I know this says the title is remaking Instagram makeup or whatever, but I did find this on Pinterest, so I don't know the exact at or whatever of the person whose makeup it is, so don't say I'm stealing someone's work. But there's the original Pinterest thing. If you really like this video, or if you liked it at all, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!